Welcome back to ASLdefined.com. I am Paul. I'd like to give you a brief overview of the teacher login. Okay, so I'm just going to log in as demo teacher, and you'll see the difference between your login and a student's login. Your login will be orange on the taskbar right here, and the student logins are gray. So that's a difference. Okay, so here you have your dashboard, and I'm just going to click on lessons. I'm just going to give you a short, brief overview of the website. Now we have 4 levels already done. The 5th level is coming soon. Okay, so that'll be ready. We're hoping January of 2020 or February of 2020. So that'll be coming soon. And if you notice, if I click on intermediate, and you'll see all of the lessons that are labeled intermediate. Okay, so that's for that. And then down here in this lesson list, we have holidays and verbs, and these are just shortcuts to get to those lessons faster. If I click on holidays and observances, even though it just says holidays, and you'll have celebrations, Thanksgiving, Christmas, etc. Okay, and then go back to your dashboard, and you'll notice that on the dashboard, it'll be your name, and then your classes. Well, I just created a fake class, and this is my classroom right here. All my students will be listed right here. At the top right here, last 7 days, last 30 days, last 90 days. The last 7 days, I can see exactly who did what. Robert Smith did the alphabet activity. Fantastic. I go back to my classes. I can see my demo class right here. And I can see again all the students. And I just did a really fast activity under Robert Smith. Okay, and then if you have, go back to your dashboard, and the dashboard is basically the main pages, and then you have the dictionary, my vocabulary, etc. What's really super cool are the teacher resources. And you later on, and again, this is a must-read right here, so please do that. And then for ASL Defined, we have created multiple meaning words. We have created bingo cards, parameters, famous deaf culture PowerPoints. And when there's anything that's new, you'll see this yellow flag right here, and that indicates there's something been added, something's new. We have sentence translations for every activity, or I'm sorry, every lesson. We have some rubrics. We have the table of contents that's on ASL Defined, shows all these features of what's going on. We have the lesson list on ASL Defined that gives all the vocabulary words within the lesson. For multiple meaning words, this is fantastic, which I absolutely love. And all you do is click on, like for example, let's click on go, and you click on that, and you have now the PowerPoint for Go and how to sign it. And all you have to do is show the class, and there you go. Now you could also, while the computer is thinking a little bit, you could also print this out and share it with your students. You definitely could do that. Okay, so we have that. Let's go back to the dashboard. I'll always try and start with the dashboard. Okay, and then the dictionary. The dictionary has over 16,000 words with synonyms, and that's super awesome. So for like anniversary, I always tend to click on that one. Assign for anniversary. What's really cool is this. You can slow the video down. Here's all the synonyms. You can add it to my vocabulary words. I'm just going to add it to my vocabulary. And right here you have the hand shape of what Mindy is doing. And if I go back to my dashboard and I go down to my vocabulary, you will see anniversary listed there. And here it is. And you can practice all the words. Now this is for your, not for you, but for your students. They can practice all the words in their My Vocabulary. If they're doing a project or a song and they want to pull that vocabulary words and put it into their own list, they can do that. And there's a lot more features. There's hand shapes and locations. And so I'm trying to make these videos short and informative. So I'm going to stop right here and we'll talk about later on these different features and also how to teach a lesson to your students. Okay, so there's more to come. Stay tuned.